Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video of class 6 science. Okay, thank you.
Light and shadow. Light is also a form of energy, natural source and artificial source. Light which is obtained from nature is known as natural source, and man-made sources of light is known as artificial sources of light. The firefly Jugnu emit lights on its own. It is a natural source of light. There are some firefishes which also emit light of their own. Light and different types of object: transparent, opaque, translucent. Try to understand one by one. Transparent, through which light will pass. Opaque, through which light will not pass. Translucent, it means partially pass. Okay, through which light will pass partially. Here tissue paper and oil that allow light to pass. Butter paper, tissue paper and oil allow light to pass. These are objects. These objects are translucent objects. Shadows, you are knowing about this thing. Here, if any object which is in front of the light, then in this case shadow will form. Okay, for shadow formation we require three things: a source of light, an opaque object, the screen to obtain the shadow. The characteristics of the shadow. Okay, here activity third, you are saying, do you know the position of the sun affects the position and length of the shadows formed? This phenomena has been used in sundials. They are used to tell us the time of day. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Try to understand about solar eclipse. In this case, light of sun will not reach on the earth. It means sunlight is not reaching on the surface, and such type of eclipse is known as solar eclipse. Here what things happen: moon is in between sun and earth. Lunar eclipse, in case if earth is in between sun and moon, and you know, if light moon is reflecting light, but if earth is in between sun and moon, at that time moon will not reflect. It means there will be eclipse, and such type of eclipse is known as lunar eclipse. Pinhole camera. Here aluminum foil you are taking, pinhole camera, here butter paper. You may observe here image of this thing at this place. Reflection of light. Reflection means in the same medium. Medium means like air, water, glass, etc. These are medium through which light can pass. Okay, reflection of light means light will travel in the same medium. Okay, regular reflection. Regularly if you will get light, that is regular reflection. Diffusely if you will get reflection, such type of reflection is known as diffuse reflection. Image formed by plane mirror. Lateral inversion. If you will observe in the plane mirror, left things will appear in the right side, and vice versa. Right things will appear in the left side, and this thing is happening in the mirror. Such type of phenomena is known as lateral inversion. Okay, ambulance. You know, there is patient in the ambulance gari, and they have to reach the hospital soon, so they will write like this. And if a car which is ahead of this car, they will see this thing that ambulance is coming, they will give the path. Okay, and they will reach the destination. Okay, so here this is this phenomena is used in this right letter. Here you are seeing this word. In this word, letter is opposite, AMBU, opposite. But a gari which is ahead of this motor vehicle, they will observe that ambulance is coming, so they will give the path. Okay, now next thing, image and shades. Image formed by plane mirror, shadow. Okay, identify the object and gives its complete information. Does not necessarily identify the object and also does not give complete information about the object. Now question answer. Transparent, opaque, black, solar eclipse, direction. Transparent, opaque, black, solar eclipse, direction. Here in this figure. Luminous objects. A sheet of tracing paper, shadow, larger, and also transparent, opaque, black, solar eclipse, direction, EDACB, luminous objects. A sheet of tracing paper, shadow, larger, inverted and enlarged. In case of any problem, you may send message, okay? Then I will improve all the things. Here 1 2 3 2 3 3 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 1 1. A straight line path. No fishes do not cast shadow in water, as water is transparent and it cannot act as a screen. The shadows of both the bed sheet would be black as shadow. Okay, in this question, opaque, air. Air means 2. It means it is transparent. Like this I have made answer of this question. Okay. Question number 2. A straight line path. No fishes do not cast their shadow in water, as well as water is transparent and it cannot act as a screen. Okay. The shadows of path, the bed sheet would be black, as shadow are always black in irrespective of the color of the objects. Earth is in between. Question number 5 answer. Yes. Now here value based questions. Answer. E first. A dark shadow of the object will be formed. Okay. A dark shadow of the object will be formed. Here I have written answer of the value based question. Adaptability and sincerity. ADAPTABILITY and sincerity. SINCERITY. Yes, as light source is moved closer, a larger shadow is formed. Here third, fourth. Flow of current, movement of electrons depends on direction of motion of electrons. Does not change. Earth's gravitational force, motion of freely falling body object. Okay. Now here question number 2. With the help of suitable diagram, so that the size of form depends upon the relative position of the source and the opaque object. Here answer of this chapter. You may draw the figure of this. Here you may draw powerful torch, cardboard piece, shadow. Powerful torch, cardboard piece, shadow. Okay. Now question number 3. Shadow would be formed only when steel glass is kept in between the mirror and the screen, as steel glass is opaque, and shadows are formed only when an opaque object comes in the path of light. Okay. Question number 4. Pinhole camera. Question number 4. Pinhole camera. Turn page 195. Here you have to draw this figure, pinhole camera. Okay, you may draw. This is the answer of E4. Okay, now E5. Turn page number 198. Here E5. When an object is placed in front of plane mirror, the left side of the object appears as the right side of the image and vice versa. This property is called lateral inversion. To send a coded message, you have to edit this thing. Okay, in answer E5. Okay, I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.